subscribe.
So C for dance, let's move today. V-W-X, hooray! Jump, twirl, and clap with glee. Come and learn with you and me. V is for vulture, soaring up high, gliding so smoothly across the sky. V is for vulture, wings so wide, flying up in the sky with pride. Whoosh, whoosh, round goes, gliding fast and then so slow. And V is for viper, slithering near with bright shiny scales but have no fear. V is for viper, slithering around, wiggling fast without a sound. Sway side to side, wiggle with me, like a viper, 1, 2, 3. Oh, na 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 na. W is for whale, big and grand, spouting water, isn't it grand? U is for whale, splashing around, blowing water high off the ground. Swish and dive, swim so free, like a viper, 1, 2, 3. C and U is for woodpecker, peck, 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 tapping on trees, oh what a trek. S is for woodpecker, tap, 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 drumming on trees with a little rap. Nod your head, tap your feet like a woodpecker, like a whale deep in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and bright, swimming in water, oh what a sight. X is for X-ray fish, glowing so light, swimming gently left and right. Float with me, side to side, like a fish in the ocean wide. And X is for xylophone, bird, what a tune, playing sweet music morning to noon. X is for xylophone, bird singing so sweet, tapping its beak to a happy beat. Clap your hands, sing along like a bird with a lovely song. Great job, little learners. See you next time for more fun songs and letters.